Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. I am Mukmin bin Amiruddin. Today we meet again with a new experiment to explore. Today's experiment we will be making an egg flakes. Amazing, huh? How do you think it is possible? Come on, let's give it a try. All you need are eggs, salt, water, and tall drinking glass. First, fill a tall drinking glass about 3/4 full of water. Slowly insert the egg into the glass and watch it sink. Next, fill another tall drinking glass of 3/4 full of water and add 3 tablespoons of salt and stir until it dissolves. Then, carefully place the egg into the glass and watch it flow to the surface. What really happens here? This phenomenon is called density. Density is a measure of the mass per unit volume of a substance. And the relationship between density, mass and volume are density is proportional to mass and inversely proportional to volume. Simply say, density is how much stuff or foreign substance in a given volume. Water has a density of 1 gram per milliliter or gram per centimeter cube. Objects will float in water if their density is less than 1 gram per milliliter. Objects will sink in water if their density is greater than 1 gram per milliliter. As referred to our experiment, the egg will sink in regular tap water because the density of the egg is greater than the density of water. The egg's density is only slightly higher than water, but that is enough to make the egg sink. When you add salt to the water, you are increasing the density of the water by adding more mass or stuff in the given volume. You don't really change the volume of the water by adding salt. But by adding enough salt, you increase the density of the water so that it is higher than the density of the egg and the egg will float. Many people confuse the words heavy and dense. Heavy refers to mass only. Density is the mass of a substance contained in a unit of volume. Therefore, any object will either float or sink in water, depending on its density, which is how much a certain volume of it weighs. If it's more dense than water, it will usually sink. If it's less dense, it will float. It doesn't matter how big or small the object is. For example, a gold ring will sink in water, while a piece of plastic as big as a football field will float. The basic rule is that An object will sink if its denser or exactly the same density of water. This also explains why we sink in water but ship floats on water. This experiment is so simple and can be done at home. How about you guys? Give it a shot. That's all from me, Ahmed Mukmin. Happy experimenting. Assalamualaikum and bye-bye.